Hey guys, it's Marisa back with another video. I'm going to be showing you a few products today, starting with Starry Eyes by Jane Iredale. It is a mascara set. It has a lengthening mascara and conditioner, and I'm going to be showing you a few brow tips as well, so let's get started. Alright, first up is brows. I like to start by brushing them upward and fanning them out. For my brow gel, I'm going to be using the Pure Brow color in Brunette. I'm going to dip it in and then start by brushing my brows in an upward motion just to feather them out and up, which is what I like to do. And as you can see, it gets a little messy, so then afterwards I like to clean everything up with some Q-tips and coconut oil. And then I like to go in and fill everything back in with the brow pencil, which you will see very soon. After I fill the brows, I like to go back in with the eyebrow pencil in dark brunette just to fill those gaps and sharpen and perfect them. Next up is the Pure Lash Extender and Conditioner to prime and fortify those lashes. Make sure you curl them first. Now I can go in with my thickening and lengthening mascara in the color Brown Black. It is great because it does not clump. All right, and here are the final results. Everything is so natural and it barely looks like you're even wearing makeup at all. It's such a minimalistic look.